Before starting your Husqvarna Automower, remove all foreign objects from the lawn. Open the hatch and follow the startup wizard. If you prefer, you can just let your mower work with the standard factory settings. But we recommend that you make your personal settings according to the circumstances of your yard. A good idea is to set the proportion of mowing time per lawn areas if your yard is differentiated. Maybe you'll find the timer useful. Depending on you and your family's schedules, you can set the exact working time for the mower, like having it working during nights or when you are at work, so you have the yard free when you come home. There are a lot more interesting settings you can do, so please read the manual for detailed information. From the start, set the cutting height to max. Take some time and observe the robotic lawnmower in action, especially how it keeps the desired distances to obstacles. Most of the times, you will need to fine-tune the wire placing for an optimum result. When the lawn is completely cut, within days, you can start lowering the cutting height until you reach your desired height. From now on, your lawn will always look perfectly mowed. Your neighbors will most likely ask why it mows an already mowed lawn. The answer is that it maintains the lawn by cutting a few fractions of an inch at a time. Not visible for the eye, and no grass clippings to collect and compost.